What's up guys? It's Saturday and it's the morning and we are in Jalan Air Panas, somewhere in between Sentul and Setapak area, and we're going to pick up a dress today. So also in this place we are in the medium cost apartment and it's rather important to see what's going on. So my wife is getting her wedding gown customized. So her shop is rather here. So this is those kind of very effective rental places where nobody can find you. But now because of technology, everything can be done based on appointment basis, and with a Waze address, you can just Google Map or Waze through. You can find people and find shops already. So long gone where you really need a premium location for your shop front and things like that. So I think that's point number one. Technology actually changed how people do business already in terms of your store, brick and mortar store. Number two is the importance of maintenance. If you look at this, right, I just show you guys. This used to be the barbecue pit. That's the importance of paying your maintenance, or if you were to really invest into medium cost apartments, right, you gotta really visit the management team because all this kind of thing is due to insufficient fund to maintain the place. But then some people may argue that if I pay more maintenance fees, it's still like that, might as well don't pay. Then that's really up to the management that you voted for during the joint management body or the formation of the management committee of your residence. Okay, that's enough of technical stuff. Let's go check out what my wife is doing. Let's go.